Hi, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own control for IntelliTouch Casablanca. That's a diode. So we just need to put wires and diode. Now wires attached to it. You just need to put electrical tape. Now we got two diodes finished. Next we need to wire diode across the solid state B control and use it to connect the series to light and measure DC voltage across that thing. Turn off until it's on. .3 or negative 8.3 volt. Measured in DC. Then you leave at that setting and tape it. Now we have two diodes connected together. Just make sure end of one diode connecting to the end of the diode is the same kind of end. In other words, the series in opposite directions. Now here's a wall on-off switch. Just make sure it's in on position and put tape around it. Now we have two wall switches like that. The reason we tape it around is that they will just be left off. They will just be left on unless someone touches it. It's basically normally closed button. Then you connect those switches across each diode. You connect that control across a series of two diodes. You have made an IntelliTouch control. Let's try on a fan. Now the fan's wired, we can test it. One button is for light. Another button for fan. I did even do demo mode with it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please have a comment, rate, subscribe.